Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how to migrate a website to Hostinger to have it hosted over there. So let's jump in. The first thing you want to go ahead and do is head over to the right hand side of the page and you'll see what would be your profile picture or the image to represent your account. Over here you will see that there is a Migrate website, but if you're using a different interface, you may have the Migrate website up here on the toolbar. The icon will be exactly the same, however. We're going to click on this, and over here it does give you some recommendations. It says don't connect or change name servers to hostings until the migration is complete. Otherwise, your migration will fail because it's still in the process. What you're going to go ahead and do here is we're going to tap on add request. So what you want to do is enter the website name that you would like to migrate, and it must be in this format. It must be www.yourwebsitename.extension. Okay, there's a few extensions that will not be supported, but for the most part, most of them will be supported. You're going to go ahead and tap on next, and over here we're going to, on the next page, you'll be able to choose what platform your website is using right now. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and choose the platform. I'm using WordPress, and I'm going to click on next, and here you have two options in terms of how to actually do the migration. You can either go ahead and provide the WordPress admin details that's recommended, so it'll be your login and your password, and then you can also use the backup files in your database. As this is recommended, I'm going to go with the first option, and here the migration requirements, it also asks you that when you click confirm and continue, you'll confirm not to make any changes to your website DNS settings until the migration process is complete. Again, we mentioned this in the beginning of this video, that generally means that you shouldn't be making any changes to your name servers, your DNS settings, because the migration is still in process. So while you're changing the settings, it'll change the actual fundamentals of the website. So we're going to go ahead and tap on next, and here you will use your login URL. So it says enter your WordPress admin login details. Okay, you can go ahead now, and over here you can see it's my username as well as my password. We're going to tap on next. The next thing you'll see here is the page where you can choose where to migrate your website to. So you have some options here. So you can select where to migrate the website. So you can create a new empty website, or you can replace one of your current websites. Then you can also select the hosting plan as well as the domain name that you would like to connect this website to. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen. If this was helpful, drop us a like, and we will see you next time. Peace out.